Okay, so in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to place a free ad on Facebook. We're not talking about these ads. These are paid ads. So those who are advertising over here, basically what they're doing is they're paying a fee, and every time someone clicks on their ad, they are being charged a fee for having their ad on the right-hand side shown here. But we're going to learn how to advertise on Facebook for free. To use this method, what you're going to have to do is decide what product or service you are selling and what is your audience. So if your audience is pets, then you're going to type in things like dogs, or you're going to type in pet lover, or the type of dog owners that you are trying to target if you're selling some type of pet product. But in this case, I'm promoting a product that is fairly generic, but I'm going to want to market it to women. So I'm going to look for things that are going to interest them, or I know I'm going to find more than at least 5,000 people on the page at a given time. Now it's fairly early in the morning, so I'm going to type in the word The View, like the TV show. So here we are, we found the TV show, and I'm going to click on this page. Now as you see, when we click on this page, down here there's a post area, and so we're going to place a posting like you would if you were sending something to a friend. So in here I'm going to say, discover this cool new product. And then I have my link in here. And then I can say, down here is showing a picture down here that I don't want shown. So I'm just going to click the X there. And now I'll just say post. Now, one of the things you're going to notice is when you're doing postings online, make sure that you always have the hypertext protocol. That's the HTTP, and then you have a colon, and then you can have a // Even if you're using a www, always make sure that you have HTTP, a colon, // then the www. Regardless if you're promoting a YouTube video, regardless if you're promoting your own website or a Craigslist ad or what have you. So now we'll click post. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to hit the refresh button up on our URL. One second. After we hit our refresh button, our ad no longer shows here, but now it's over here. And if we just click here, we should be able to scroll up and verify our ad. If everything's great, we're going to click on it just to see if it shows up the way we want it to. Oh, great. It looks like it's showing up just fine. So, yep, everything's fine. Our ad is live now. And now we can hit the close button. So now we have a live ad that we paid absolutely nothing free. We didn't have to pay anything for it. It's free. Now you're going to notice that also up here in the search bar, I could have marketed to TV shows like Sprout. Let's see if we can find it. Now this is Sprout's, looks like a grocery store chain. Okay, there's the TV channel Sprout. On this particular channel now, there are over 6,000 people. I could have placed in here scrapbooking, and I could find any number of groups that are talking about scrapbooking, but because they could be my target audience, which is women, I can place a free ad there. So think of the product or service that you're selling, whether that's children's clothes, whether that's a product that you've made, or it's a service that you're providing. By using this technique on Facebook, you can advertise your products and or services for free.